In this video, we're going to take a look at the MT overview page and how you quick and easy can get the status of your sensors. This is the MT overview page. I get here by clicking Environmental and Overview. In this case, I'm going to take a look at the sensors, so I click on the tab Sensors. As I'm missing some columns, I'm going to click on the wrench and add battery and RSSI. Let's take a quick look at the columns. Reading for this time range is giving me historically what the sensor has been reporting. If it's above threshold, it's going to be in red. If it's the MT12 or MT20, it's going to give me the number of events. Latest reading is giving me the latest information the sensor has been sending. Same thing here. If it's over the threshold, it's going to be in red. The battery column is giving me the current battery status, so I know the battery level on my sensors. The last column I want to highlight is the RSSI column, where I have the signal strength between the sensor and the gateway. I can also see which gateway is used for this sensor. I hope this has been useful for you. Thank you for watching.